A lot of print-on-demand sellers think the only marketplaces that matter are Etsy, Amazon, and maybe Shopify. But I recently started researching a platform that most POD sellers are completely ignoring, and it's doing billions in sales with independent brands just like yours and mine. It's called Faire. And what makes it interesting is that unlike Etsy, where we're typically selling one product at a time, we're able to sell to retail stores that buy inventory in bulk. So your MOQ, your minimum order quantity, is gonna go up dramatically. Today, I wanna show you why Etsy sellers might wanna start paying attention to this, because it can make a world of difference for your sales. Many Etsy sellers run into the same issues over time: increasing competition, rising ad costs, platform fees, slower organic reach as it loses market share. And most sellers are fighting for individual $15 to maybe $30 on the high end sales. But there's another way to sell products. Instead of selling one item at a time to consumers, you can sell dozens of items at a time to retail stores. And trust me, if it sounds too good to be true, stay tuned. That's where Faire comes in. Faire is a wholesale marketplace where retailers discover brands and purchase inventory. The buyers on this platform include things like boutique stores, gift shops, bookstores, coffee shops, tourist shops, or specialty retailers. I mean, it's a wide spectrum. Instead of competing for Etsy shoppers, you're selling directly to businesses that resell your products. That's a very different type of marketplace. And don't be scared by profit margins, guys. They're not afraid to charge $40 for a Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt. So you can charge $20 to $25 and everybody wins. This is where things get interesting for print-on-demand sellers. If we look at the Printify catalog, you can see there's tons of products that would fit perfectly in retail stores. And I would honestly say start at the best sellers page. Think of examples like graphic t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, wall art, stickers, greeting cards, hats. I think it has more to do with the niche that the retail store that's buying from you sells in than it does the actual product type, if that makes sense. So these are the exact type of products you already see in boutique shops. And the nice thing is Printify can fulfill all of these for us. So in theory, your print-on-demand store could also become a wholesale brand selling to retailers. If it sounds too good to be true, guys, not only me, but my wife also, who she does better than I do on Faire, we've been doing this for years, believe it or not. So Faire might be new to you, but it's not to us. And we can tell you from firsthand experience what a good opportunity it is for print-on-demand. One thing to know up front, there's no direct integration between Faire and Printify. So you'll have to manually fulfill orders, which you can do on the orders page. Just click create order and then select the product that you would like to have fulfilled. Once you do that, you can add the customer's information. You can add the different products, different quantities, etc., just like you would any other print-on-demand order. So it's not automated the way it is on Etsy, but it's actually okay for this type of business model because with wholesale, you can set minimum order quantities, also known as MOQ. Instead of processing one small order, you essentially say, I would like you to order at least 8 products or 10 products or dozens of products for me to allow the order, basically. And if they're not willing to place an order that makes it worth your time to create the order manually here in Printify, you don't have to accept it. That means higher profit per order, which makes manual fulfillment worthwhile. In fact, I had to go get my wife, who, like I said, is famously making more sales on Faire than I am, and ask her, what has been your best-selling print-on-demand product type from Printify?
It has been, honestly, as simple as this sounds, the Gildan 18,000.
Yes, the Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt. I had a feeling you would say that. So you can see here, guys, in Printify, it starts at $15 for fulfillment, or if you have Printify Premium, $11.22. Are you on Printify Premium?
Absolutely. And with the bulk discounts, everything is incredible.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense if you're making like one Faire order, depending on your MOQ, to bump up to Printify Premium. Or if you're a new Printify user, I've got a code in the description that'll give you a free month. But yeah, Marielle, any other feedback real quick on Faire?
Definitely start because they keep franchises out.
And by franchise, you mean?
I mean, you are not competing with Disney. You are not competing with Marvel. You are not competing with any of those big name brands, whether you are in sweatshirts or you are doing POD candles.
Perfect. This is where Etsy sellers have such a big advantage. Most of you already have proven designs, existing product catalogs, and specific niche products that you know sell. And retailers love products that are already validated in the market. So Etsy can actually become your test ground. For instance, this shop right here is a perfect candidate. It's been on Etsy for over 4 years, launching new products. It has over 26,000 sales, so it knows what its best sellers are. Now you can turn all of the best sellers from this shop, assuming it's your shop in this example, into wholesale listings on Faire. And it's a lot easier than you think, guys. So instead of only selling to customers, you can sell the same products to retail stores. One of the things that makes this even easier is that if you already have an Etsy shop, you can actually export all your products into a spreadsheet. Etsy Etsy lets you download your listings as a CSV file, which includes everything you need to succeed on Faire: the titles, the descriptions, the pricing, the other product details. Then inside Faire, you can import products using a spreadsheet upload. So you can essentially take your Etsy catalog and drag and drop your listings into Faire to build your wholesale catalog much faster. This makes the transition from Etsy seller to wholesale brand a lot easier than most people realize. By the way, I wanted to make sure to mention that Faire does integrate with Shopify, so if you wanted to automate having new print-on-demand products automatically published to Faire, it is possible using the sync. I will drop a link to this video in the description and in the YouTube cards right here so that you can follow along if you're serious about launching a wholesale print-on-demand business and streamlining it using Shopify as the bridge. I want to demystify something for you. Check this out. This is real print-on-demand products on Faire that are available for sale from print-on-demand sellers just like you and I. A lot of these designs are not complex. They're the exact type of designs that print-on-demand sellers are already creating, and they sell. This is why Faire is such an interesting opportunity. Now, buying wholesale on Faire is a little different from Etsy. Margins per unit can sometimes be lower because, again, when you buy wholesale, you expect wholesale pricing. Retailers expect consistent products, reliable fulfillment, good branding. Like, you still need to build your seller profile here on Faire and prove that you're going to be a good seller. But the upside for us sellers is the order size. So instead of an order that might be like 1 coffee mug, you might get 24 mugs, 36 shirts, and 50 greeting cards. Literally, you could get a bulk order like that on Faire. One order could equal dozens of Etsy sales. Most print-on-demand sellers are focused on Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify, but very few are thinking about selling to retail stores. Platforms like Faire open the door to that, and it's not too good to be true. Sellers like myself and my wife have been doing it for years, and I can tell you it works. So if you already have a successful design on Etsy that's selling well, it might be worth experimenting and listing it on Faire. See if retailers pick it up. I'm curious though, had you heard of Faire before? Let me know in the comments. And would you ever consider selling your print-on-demand products to wholesale retailers? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, and I would like to issue a challenge that in 2026, you expand to a new sales channel, Faire, which is free by the way, and see what happens.